Hello friends, today we shall discuss about RMSA Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan scheme launched by government specifically for secondary education. This scheme was launched in March 2009 with the objective to enhance access to secondary education and to improve its quality. The implementation of the scheme started from 2009-10. It is envisaged to achieve an enrollment rate of 75% from 52% in 2005-6 as secondary stage by providing a secondary school within a reasonable distance of any habitation. RMSA aims to increase the enrollment rate to 90% at secondary and 75% at higher secondary stage by providing a secondary school within reasonable distance of every home. The objectives are RMSA are to enhance access to secondary education, to improve quality of education imparted at secondary level through making all secondary schools conform to prescribed norms, remove gender, socio-economic and disability barriers, provide universal access to secondary level education by 2017, that is by end of 12 5-year plan. The scheme envisages to achieve a gross enrollment ratio of 75% from 52.26% in 2005-6 for classes 9-10 within 5 years of its implementation. Enhance and universalization retention by 2020. The important physical facilities provided under the scheme are additional classroom, laboratories, libraries, arts and craft room, toilet blocks, drinking water provisions, residential hostels for teachers in remote areas. The important quality interventions provided in the scheme are appointment of additional teachers to reduce pupil-teacher ratio to 30:1, that is, for 30 students, there must be at least one teacher. To focus on science, math and English education, in-service training of teachers, science laboratories, ICT-enabled education, curriculum reforms and teaching learning reforms. The important equity interventions provided in the scheme are a special focus in micro-planning, preference to ashram schools for upgradation, preference to areas with concentration of SC/ST minority for opening of schools, special enrollment drive for the weaker sections, more female teachers in schools, separate toilet blocks for girls. The norms of RMSA scheme are to permit state and union territory governments to use state schedule of rates for construction of civil works permissible under the RMSA, to subsume other central sponsored schemes of secondary education, information and communication technology at school, girls hostel, inclusive education for disabled at secondary stage and vocational education in their existing form under the umbrella of RMSA. To extend the benefits of aided secondary schools, excluding infrastructure support core areas, that is teacher salary and staff salary, for quality interventions as per RMSA umbrella schemes components for aided schools. To continue existing fund sharing pattern of 75:25 for the remaining of the 12th plan, the period for non-NER states and 90:10 for NER state, that is Northeast region, including Sikkim. To authorize the release of funds to the RMSA states, implementation society directly for all components of the RMSA umbrella scheme. So this much is for today. Thank you very much.